जम्मू आ गए, दिल्ली आ गए, अलग अलग जगह पे आ गए, और अभी सरकार उनको कह रही है कि फिर से हम
मेरी बात समझ गए क्या सबके साथ मर्डर हो जाता है क्या सारी बहुएं?
If the donee is a minor and if he is fatherless, I am referring to a case law here, Musa Mia versus Kader Bucks 1928, decided by the Privy Council. If the donee is a minor and if his father is alive, then father on behalf of the minor can well receive the gift, can obtain the gift. Or in absence of father, the executor of father will receive the gift, can be a donee, right? And in the absence of the executor of the father, grandfather may be the guardian of the minor in order to receive the gift, or in his absence, the executor of the grandparent may be, grandfather may be, right? So if any of the guardian is available, then none other can be a recipient of the gift on behalf of the minor. This was the case law settled in Musa Mia versus Kader Bucks case. It was further clarified by the Privy Council in this case that mere declaration of a gift will not suffice. Some positive act will have to be performed in order for gift to properly materialize, in order for a gift to pass from the donor to the donee. When you have the gift deed registered, it shows your animus, intention, that you are really serious about giving away a gift. Just an oral declaration that my property will now belong to my grandchildren, my maternal grandchildren, etc., will not be a sufficient compliance. Some serious overt act must be there in order for the factum of gift to constitute.
Subscribe for more content.